Okay, so in this video, basically what you want to know is, does the love of puppies, is it the same between all three groups? Because it's going to matter if one of the groups doesn't love puppies, then it's going to influence your dependent variable happiness. So what you want to do is you want to see, does puppy love equal the same across all groups? So all you're going to do is we're going to run a basic ANOVA. You're going to go to Analyze, Compare Means, and you're going to go to a one-way ANOVA. I'm going to reset this. And you are going to look at love of puppies, and you're going to look at dose, and you're just going to run OK. All right, so in this ANOVA, what you can see is my significance value is what we're looking at, and this significance value tells you that there is not a significant difference between the groups on love of puppies, which is a good thing because now I can use that as my covariate.